I'm sure others have already spoken about this, but since I got this A1, one big benefit I'm finding over the X1 Carbon, and I'm sure there's a way around solving it, but the poop, because it just flies out here, it doesn't matter. There's no clogs, there's nothing to like get anywhere. If anything, it would just make a mess. Fine, print keeps going. With this, and I just pulled this out and then I thought, actually, I'll put it back. But this was all stuck up here and it all gets clogged in here. And I've tried numerous designs of this poop chute. This is probably one of the best because it comes apart, but I need a different material to make it more slippery and slidey because it just all builds up there. And sometimes it's not even the poop chute. It's at the back here. It just gets stuck there, right at the top. So it's not even anything to do with the exit or the chute at the back. It's just there, it clogs there. So that is a big benefit to these. I mean, it's not often I get this causing any problems. I've had it twice in the past week, but it's never really been a problem normally because I'll just be around and I'll just pull it down or poke it through. But typical, the twice in the last week has been in the middle of the night, like 2, 3 o'clock. So I've missed it till the next day. It happened on these. Thankfully I was printing ABS, so there's no real line where it changed. So, you know, it's okay. No big problem, but I just thought I'd share those thoughts, wondering if anyone else feels the same. Happy to take recommendations on here as well, if anyone's got any ideas of how to make this a bit slicker, so it doesn't all get clogged up and stuck in there. Let me know what you think. Thanks.